Everywhere you scroll right now, you're seeing AI characters. They're starring in ads, building entire Instagram followings, headlining short films, and somehow they look identical in every single shot. And if you've ever tried to make one yourself, you already know the problem. You generate one image, it looks amazing, then the next one comes out with a completely different face, different hair, different vibe, and suddenly your character looks like 5 different people pretending to be the same person. Most tutorials online don't actually fix this. They show you one cool image and call it a day. They never walk you through how to keep that character consistent across scenes, how to make them talk, or how to actually move them like a real person. So you end up bouncing between 4 different platforms, paying for multiple subscriptions, and still ending up with content that looks disjointed. So I spent the last few weeks testing every workflow I could find. And there's really only one tool right now that handles character creation, cinematic scenes, lip sync, and motion transfer all in the same place without the quality falling apart. That tool is Higgsfield AI. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to build your own AI character from scratch, place them in cinematic environments, make them talk on camera, and even transfer real human movement onto them, all in one platform. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link to Higgsfield in the description below. With that out of the way, let's get straight into it. Once you're logged into Higgsfield, you'll land on the home dashboard. Up at the top, you'll see the main navigation tabs. We're going to be living mostly inside image and video today, so don't get overwhelmed by everything else on screen. Let's actually create the character first, because everything else we do today depends on this one image being right. Hover over image in the top nav to expand the menu. You'll see plenty of options to choose from, but go ahead and click Create Image to open up the image generation workspace. In the model selector, choose Nano Banana Pro from the available models. The reason I'm picking Nano Banana Pro over the other options is because it produces the most photorealistic faces with the cleanest skin texture, which matters a lot when you're trying to make your character look like an actual person and not an AI doll. Now in the prompt field, we're going to type a detailed description of the character we want. For this example, we're going for a female influencer look. Here's the prompt. A young woman with long styled hair, glowing skin, natural makeup, trendy casual outfit, confident pose, looking at the camera, soft studio lighting, photorealistic, shoulders up portrait, social media influencer, aesthetic. Before we hit generate, set the aspect ratio to 1:1 or 9:16 portrait, since this is going to be our character reference image. You want a clean, well-framed shot of the face because everything else we build later is going to pull from this one image. Now click create and let it generate. Take a look at the result. If you're not happy with it, maybe the face isn't quite right or the styling is off, just hit create again to regenerate until you get something you like. This is the most important step in the entire process because if your base character looks off, every scene after this will inherit those flaws, so don't rush it. Once you're satisfied, download your new character image. The reason this step works so well is that Nano Banana Pro locks in a really specific identity from a single prompt, which means we now have one master reference image we can feed into every other workflow. This is how creators are building entire AI personas and landing brand deals without ever showing a real face on camera. Now let's drop that same character into cinematic environments without her face changing between shots. Stay inside the Create Image workspace and keep Nano Banana Pro selected as your model. Here's the key step that most people skip. Upload the character image you just downloaded as a visual reference. This is the part that keeps the character looking identical across every single scene we generate. This time, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that wide cinematic look. Let's generate scene 1. I'll type in this prompt. Character walking through a crowded downtown area, people passing by, traffic in the background, cinematic depth of field, busy city street, photorealistic. Hit create and let it generate. This generation looks great, but more importantly, it actually matches my reference. If the face drifts or the styling shifts, regenerate until it locks in. Now I can repeat this process as many times as I want. I can have my character standing on a mountain summit with snow-covered peaks stretching into the distance, or even have my character seated in a luxurious private jet cabin, looking out the window. It's up to you. Simply prompt it, and you can have your character looking consistent anywhere around the world, in any situation possible. The reason this matters so much is that this is the foundation of any AI persona business. Whether you're building a faceless influencer, running an AI model agency, or just making content for fun, The moment your character starts looking inconsistent, the illusion breaks and the audience scrolls. Higgsfield's reference system fixes that without you having to train a custom model, which used to take hours and required technical knowledge most people don't have. Now, we're going to make this character actually speak on camera, and this is where things get really fun. Head back to the top nav and hover over Video to expand the menu. Then click on Lip Sync Studio. In the image upload section, where it says Upload an Image, upload the original character image you generated in step 1. This is the face that's going to be animated in the talking video. Now in the audio section, where it says Generate Speech or Upload, you've got two options. You can type a script and use the built-in text-to-speech, or you can upload your own pre-recorded audio. For this example, let's type a short script. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share something really exciting with you all. In the model selector, choose Kling 2.6 Lip Sync from the dropdown. There are other options to choose from, but Kling 2.6 is the most reliable starting point for clean lip movement. Set the quality to high, then click Generate.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share something really exciting with you all.
Pay close attention to the lip sync accuracy. It looks super realistic. Once you're happy with the result, you can download the final talking video. This step is honestly where AI characters stop being a cool experiment and start becoming actually usable. You can use this for product testimonials, UGC-style ads, faceless YouTube intros, or full character-driven storytelling. And because the lip sync is generated directly from your reference image, the character still looks like the same person, which is what separates content that converts from content that gets scrolled past. Now let's look at motion. We're going to transfer real human movement onto our character using motion sync. This is the feature that makes the biggest difference between AI content that looks fake and AI content that passes as real. Go back to the top nav, hover over Video, and click on Kling 3.0 Motion Control. Upload your character image as the reference. Now in the motion library, browse through the available example videos. I'll choose the lady in a pink cotton jumper and black glasses. This is the motion reference, meaning the movements from this video are going to be transferred directly onto your character. You can choose from the motion library like I did, or even import your own motion from elsewhere. Once you've got your reference clip, click Generate. And as you can see, this copied the motion perfectly. My character now performs the exact same movements as the other lady in the reference video, but with my character's face, hair, and styling. The reason this is such a game changer is that movement is usually the giveaway with AI content. Faces have gotten incredibly good, but the way characters move has stayed stiff and robotic for a long time. By using real human movement as the source and just transferring your character on top of it, you skip that uncanny valley problem entirely. This is the exact technique creators are using to build AI influencers that hit hundreds of thousands of views without anyone realizing the person doesn't exist. And that's the full workflow. You've now created a consistent AI character, dropped her into multiple cinematic scenes, made her talk on camera with lip sync, and transferred real human movement onto her, all inside one platform, without bouncing between 5 different subscriptions or dealing with files breaking between tools. So if you're ready to start building your own AI character, click the link in the description to sign up for Higgsfield and try this workflow yourself today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.